Yo, my name is Mooly. Mooly. Let me brush my hair to the side. Very nice. Anyways, like I was saying, my name is Mooly. Mooly. Oh, my back. I don't know where I'm walking like this. My back. Oh, my back. Oh, there we go. There we go. Much better. Much better. This is The Price is Right! Mom! Oh, The Price is Right! Let's bring this in front.
Hey!
So today we're reviewing this new toy. It's called the Toilet.
It's called
the toilet game.
Trouble, and then you can.
Toilet Trouble.
It's Toilet Trouble.
It's made by
a
toy company.
The toy company, and if you flush,
It's
and
about $300, I think.
no, just pretend, right?
And it's really fun. We played it, and it's really fun. So this is what you do.
And you spin this, and then we flush it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Did you get squirted?
So if he gets
What?
So if you get squirted, it means you're out of the game. So,
Yeah.
So if you guys want to play,
Make sure you have a towel.
or else
people.
water would come all over the place.
Okay, so this is how it works. See this
Wait,
toilet?
Is it on?
So you see this toilet roll right here? Okay, this is how it works, ladies and gentlemen.
Your head.
Oh, I got pain in my neck. Oh, I'm such a pain in
So
my neck.
this is how it works.
I'm such a...
So this is how it works, guys. So if you spin it, it means you have to. If you get one, it means you have to spin it once. So let's spin it.
Okay.
So I didn't get splashed. That means I'm not out. So now it's the other person's turn.
The other person, then it would be me. So, splishy, splashy.
And please don't make it. But you might need a towel because. If
Oh, what number is that?
It's 2. So,
Okay, so now I gotta...
you have to put your head close to it. So let's turn it.
Okay, right here.
And then, so we're not doing it this way because then we'll get the thing wet.
I'll be getting out of this. Bet you like this time.
So now we spin it.
Ah!
That means he's out.
I've been shot.
That means
In
he's
the
out.
face.
That means he's out. So now we're gonna put this away.
Toilet Trouble. It does take batteries.
Let's not use batteries for this one.
It does take batteries. It's for ages.
It's the ages 5 and it's the ages everyone. Every age except for 1 or 2 or 1 or 2.
1 or 2. Yep.
We can't.
This is it. Toilet Trouble. Whoa, you gotta watch out because there's water in there. If you spill it, guess what? You will have trouble.
Yeah,
There will
that's why
be
it's called
trouble.
Toilet Trouble.
Toilet.
So this game is $100.
$100. And if you guys want to make this even more exciting, you guys can use real pee.
I wouldn't use that.
Just kidding, guys. Alright, so thanks for watching.
We're not done yet. It opens and shuts.
Yep, open shuts and it
And
makes
this
noises.
actually rolls, so we don't have a spinner. This is our spinner we use.
Make spinners.
And then you can flush this.
Make
And then
spinners, not winners.
and this will actually flush.
We've still got more to talk about the toilet because we love talking about toilets.
So it looks like it's a bathroom floor.
Yep, bathroom floor, nicely checkered.
And this
Almost looks like a
this doesn't actually move. So this moves like a real toilet roll.
Yep.
And then if you want, you can just put your hands in it and then just splash yourself if you're hot.
And that's it.
No, we're not.
Oh yeah, we got more.
This is a waterproof right here and here. And see that little hole? The water sucks up in the little hole, and then if it doesn't suck up, it means it won't splash you.
And that's it. Thanks
No.
for watching.
So as you can see, it's plastic. It's not a real toilet, because if it was a real toilet, you probably shouldn't think. Then that's it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye. Share and like. Please subscribe.